All right, guys, this is Emmett again, the Alpha Builder. Man, I tell you what, man, it almost seems like I have an axe to grind toward people who are in higher education. It always seems that way, man. But guys, I'm just, you know, I guess what bothers me more than anything, man, when I hear all these people walking around and they got all these degrees and and they use that, in my opinion, in a lot of cases, maybe the reason I have an axe to grind toward this right here is because a lot of these guys are women and guys. They're using that as leverage in any conversation. I got my PhD, so I'm smarter than you. But let me talk about what else these PhDs, something that I think the PhDs is doing right now, and it's really, really affecting the African American community really bad, really bad. Guys, I actually think PhDs are actually destroying the trades. Give me just a second, guys. I'm gonna try to break this down for you guys and get you to understand. I know that sounds crazy, but just kind of hear me out and understand my logic. So, guys, all these people are going to these, like, if you go to a city school, if you go to a let's just say a high school that's in that municipality, or it could be a junior college, or it could be a college, guys, a 4-year college. It doesn't matter, 2-year college, 4-year college. High schools, let's just say a high school for a lack of better words. Let's just say you have a teacher that has a PhD versus another teacher that has just a bachelor's degree. But both of those teachers teach algebra. Because I used to be a math teacher, guys, and I can kind of explain it better with this right here. And hopefully you guys can kind of go with me on this right here. So now, is the quality of education better? Well, tell you what, guys, let's switch this to a junior college. High school is probably not going to be a good idea, but let's just switch it to a junior college. I think it'd be better if I switched it up. So we're in a junior college, and I'm sitting down. Let's just say me as an instructor, I teach math at this junior college. I just have a bachelor's degree. Well, you have this other instructor over here teach the same subject. They have a PhD. The question I have to ask you is that the students, is the quality of education that student gets, one of them in the PhD teacher and the other one in my class, I got a bachelor's degree, is the quality of education better from that PhD instructor versus me? Now, here's the thing, guys. You would probably argue that, hey, it's probably going to be better because the teacher probably going to know a little bit more. They're going to be able to go into detail and go into rabbit holes in the mathematics, and it's going to probably be a little bit better quality education. Well, if it is a better quality education, then the college or the junior college that you at should actually charge you for more education because you actually get a better education. So you should increase the profits because you got to pay. So now you are paying that person, that PhD instructor, you're paying them probably $20,000 more than the bachelor's instructor. So in order to get that money back, if you're in business, in order to get that money back, what you have, or to compensate, or to be profitable, what you would have to do is you would have to have those students in that PhD class to pay more versus the teacher or the instructor that's in the that's teaching the class with a bachelor's degree. That's business. Now, universities and colleges and stuff like that typically don't do that, which means that they're losing money. They're losing money. It's not profitable. As a matter of fact, that's against profitability. So now, since the university is not doing that, I think, this is just me, now I'm coming in now, guys. I think that it would be better that you simply hire all bachelor degrees, or maybe masters, I don't know, but bachelor degrees, and we can save that $20,000 that we have to pay that PhD person to teach the same class because we're not charging students for it, and they still getting the basic education or whatever they're getting. So I think that we should not have the PhD person and just charge for the bachelor's, which is $20,000 probably that college is saving per PhD instructor. So we get rid of all the PhD instructors, save that university or that college $20,000 per person. Let's think about it, guys. We take all that $20,000 that we have and we go use that money to hire better trade guys. Because the problem that we're having right now in finding good trade instructors. Now, guys, I'm probably an anomaly because I'm actually doing the trade and I'm actually teaching at the same time because I love to teach, guys. But guys, if you took that money and paid these guys, because the problem that we're having right now in finding good trade guys to come in and teach at a junior college, the problem will be if I can make double the amount of money just being in the trades and something that I do, something that I've mastered, if I can make double the amount of money, why would I come teach? This is a problem. This is a dilemma. Why would I even come teach? Now, the ones that probably would come teach are the ones that are tired of being in the trade. If they're tired of being in the trade, do you really want them teaching the trades? If they're burnt out, or they couldn't last, or they couldn't make it out there in the private sector, why would you want that mindset of those people coming to teach other people the trades? And here's another thing, guys. What destroys probably 80 to 90% of the trade guys who's out there, if you're doing a trade, you got to get out and get a job or something like that, is the business part. They don't quite understand the business. They hadn't mastered the business. So now you're going to stick those guys. If those guys get out the game, it's because they couldn't handle the business part in most cases. So now you're going to put those guys around your students now. It's not a good look. So this is why all this education. And brothers, well, we know we had to go here. I don't know where we stand in this game. I don't know. I don't know because we need to learn the trades, guys. The trade guys, I'm telling you right now, man, they're winning. This is why construction costs is just skyrocketing. It's skyrocketing because we don't have enough people in the game to be competitive. There's not enough plumbers out there, so whatever plumber's out there, he can just ask whatever he wants to, and now you got to pay it because we don't have anybody else coming behind them. Or we don't have them young whippersnappers coming in and saying, "Hey, man, I'd do it." You know, I don't have all this overhead that I created. I'm kind of just getting into the game, and my cost is going to be a little bit better, and I'm going to do a really good job. We don't have those guys out here anymore. So we need the trades. We need more guys getting into the trades in order to get this construction cost down because we need to have more competition out here. But with these PhDs, they're sucking all the money out of the school systems. They're sucking all the money out of the junior colleges and the colleges. They're just sucking it away. And are we getting that much better education? I'll let you guys decide that one. It's just a thought, guys. Let me know your thoughts. Hit the comment thing. Let me know what you think, man. Hey, we can go in on this right here. Like, share, subscribe, and this is the way.